Ah, it's getting worse. And we got the lid off.
Yeah, I do smell it back here. Yeah. You gonna try to open it real quick before I start recording?
I don't want to open this real quick at all. Oh, it's getting worse and worse. You recording already?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
The whole time you thought I wasn't when I was?
Ah, it's getting worse. And we got the lid off.
Yeah, I do smell it back here. Yeah.
How do I get talked into these things?
Ain't nobody talk you in. You wanted to try it. Yeah. Roll up.
I would say don't smell it first.
No, what?
But it's hard not to smell it.
Just stick it in your mouth.
This is weird.
What does it taste like?
Like a sweet onion.
A sweet onion.
Yeah, it's like sweet and oniony.
Sweet and onion. Is it creamy? Some people say it tastes like creamy.
It don't taste creamy, it's just texture is creamy. Damn, that taste stay with you too. I'm not gonna finish all this.
Just little bite.
That's over with.
Let me see.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, you taste it. Wait, film.
Oh.
Take it outside.
It does taste oniony.
That's sweet.
Yeah. Ew, that's weird.
It's not as bad as it smells though.
Yeah, it's not, but that's the end of that. Guess we're not buying any more of those.
Not at all. Not at all. They can take the spoon and burn it too. Whole time. Sure you
That
want
thing is funky. No, I don't want any more.
You sure?
Yeah.
You seem like the type that might want some more.
No, I guess we can ask room service. Anybody want it? Have it. Take it out.
I'm telling them take it out the building and burn it. And then take the ashes and burn that.
The end. So how was your Durian experience?
I did it.
Yeah.
And
We tried it.
it's not as bad as it smells, but it's bad. Some people love it. Not I.
Ew.
They gotta take this out of the building. Not out of the room, they gotta take this out of the building.
Let's call somebody to see if they'll come take it out.
They might kick us out. This thing might be banned.
And I guess we'll figure out what to do with it.
Oh, and it was 438 baht, which is $16 or something like that.
Well, yeah, something like that. But
Oh, and watch that $16 down the drain. I need something to drink. I need some whiskey or something that burns. I can drink that hot sauce.
Lord. Oh well. R.I.P. to the Durian.
R.I.P. to me. Forget that Durian.